This is Murder Drones. Murder Drones is a 3D animated YouTube series created by Liam Vickers and produced by Glitch Productions, an indie animation studio owned by brothers Luke and Kevin Lerdwichigal. Because the show uses 3D animation, using non-human characters makes animating a lot easier and more natural. The show stars Uzi Dorman, yes, that's her actual name, N, a murder drone who just wants to do a good job, I mean, look at him, V, who's a straight up sociopathic lunatic, and J, who is just the worst. The show takes place on the fictional planet of Copper 9, which is a nuclear winter wasteland. Quick recap as to why: humans done goof, planet go boom. Results: humans are dead, robots are not. A quick summary of the first 3 episodes, spoiler warning just to give you guys a heads up. Episode 1, the pilot. Pretty standard stuff, familiarizes us with the world and the characters. Episode 2, Eldritch Abomination. Oh god, what is that? Kill it with fire. And Episode 3, the prom episode. Don't ask, just go with it. As the show goes on, lots of major plot points are revealed. Won't say them here because I feel like I've spoiled enough, but things get pretty nuts. So, what's next? Well, I have no idea! Because episode 4 isn't out yet, so we're gonna have to find out when it does. Hey, Dylan from post-production here. At the time of recording this, episode 4 hadn't released, but by the time the show's up on JTU Update, it has, so just ignore the last 3 slides, okay? Okay. That concludes my presentation. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you guys check this out and some of Glitch's other shows, because honestly, they're amazing, and they deserve all the credit they can get.